we are learning like one is golden rules, three golden rules. One is personal account, real accounts, and nominal accounts. Okay. So if you want to learn finance, you need to understand little bit commerce, a very little bit commerce. Okay, just give me a second, please. Just a minute, please. Some people are asking in the group, like, what is the link? Okay. So, if you want to learn finance, little bit commerce knowledge will learn. Okay, if you are a commerce person, you should know about debit and credit. If you are a non-commerce person, then you need to understand positive. Debit means positive, credit means negative. Debit means positive, credit means negative. Okay, three golden rules you learned already in your commerce knowledge, in your education. If not, now you need to remember personal accounts. Personal accounts, it is debit the receiver, credit the giver. The rule is debit the receiver and credit the giver. For your better understanding, I have added material. This material is added by me only. Okay, debit the material receiver, credit the material giver. So receiver means customer is receiving, so debit will be customer. And the giver, vendor is giving material. So in this organization chart, the giver and the receiver. From my company, the receiver means customer is receiver, vendor is giver. That's what here. The giver is vendor, the receiver customer. So vendor is credited, customer is debited at the time of invoice. Next, real accounts, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So this real accounts is applicable for money. Whenever money is coming into your uh, in your company, then it is debit, and it is whenever money is going out, it is credit. So here money will receive from the customer, will receive money from the customer. So at that time my bank balance will be increased. So here debit what comes in means at the time of customer payment or customer receipt, my money or my cash will be increased. So at the time of customer invoice or customer payment, my bank balance will be increased. And I will pay money to the vendors, so my bank balance will be decreased. So during this one, see, receiving money, that is the reason it is accounts receivable module, and paying money, it is accounts payable. So in UK, they will use the word sales ledger and purchase ledger instead of accounts receivable and accounts payable. In UK, they will use the word, this is sales ledger and this is purchase ledger. Okay, so whenever you are receiving money, your bank balance will be increased. Whenever you are paying money to the vendor, your bank balance will be decreased. That's what. And this is nominal accounts, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So here, for this, yesterday I have explained you the chart of accounts. In detail, I have discussed with you 1 assets, 2 liabilities, 3 equities, 4 sales revenue, 5 cost of goods, 6 expenses, 7 other incomes. So yesterday I have discussed this one. Chart of accounts are classified into two parts: balance sheet plus profit and loss account. Total is trial balance. Okay, balance sheet is bifurcated into three parts: assets, liabilities, equities. Assets are further classified into two: current assets and fixed assets. And the liabilities are further classified into liabilities and equities. And profit and loss accounts, it was bifurcated into sales revenue, other incomes, cost of goods and expenses. This classification I have explained more than 1 hour, almost 1 hour clearly. Okay, so if you want to learn commerce, I mean to say finance, one is golden rules, another one is vendor invoice, what is debit, what is credit, vendor payment, what is debit, what is credit, customer invoice, what is debit, what is credit, customer payment, what is debit, what is credit. You need to understand, and then chart of accounts you need to understand. From last 3-4 days, we are learning this one. From 3-4 days, we are learning now. So now I'm going to new topic today. I'm going to show you new topic. Financial dimensions. Financial dimensions. What is this financial dimensions? Suppose I'm running my business. I'm running my business. Now people are traveling a lot. Travel expenses. Travel expenses. People are traveling a lot. Now in my company there are so many departments. Finance department, accounts department, sales department, marketing department, in IT department, stores department. There are so many departments. Now this expenses, it is altogether, if I verify at the end, it is $200,000.
Satya, sorry,
Yeah.
Ahmed here. Are you sharing your screen? I am not able to see your screen.
I think I'm sharing already, but you have some challenges maybe. Let me share
Okay.
once again. Let me share once again. I'm
Yeah.
stopping sharing. Now are you able to see, Ahmad?
No, Satya, let me disconnect the call and join.
Rejoin.
You can continue. Yeah.
Yeah, you need to rejoin if there is any challenges. Now, travel expenses, suppose the total amount 200,000 or $500,000. My business is not that much big. $500,000 is a big amount. I'm asking different departments like marketing department, sales department, purchase department. I'm asking to control this expenditure. They're telling like we are using very less, we are using very less. Now I need to understand which department, how much amount they are using, travel expenditure. So I want to track travel expenses. I want to track travel expenditure by each department wise. Then, then it will be useful. Now, if you want travel expenditure by department wise, then I can use financial dimensions as a concept. I'll show you practically what is the benefit and then we'll proceed. Ahmad, are you able to see my screen now?
Yes, Satya. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Yeah, fine. Now, let me show you in the system. General ledger, collapse all, journal entries, general journals. So this is a new screen you are looking at today. Okay, let me write down the path for this one. General ledger, journal entries, General journal. General ledger, journal entries, general journal. Click on new button, select the journal name. Okay, click on lines button. Now, date is coming somewhere else. The calendar you need to configure. I will discuss with you later where it is. And voucher number is coming from some number sequences. Now, I am selecting travel expenditure. I'm selecting travel expenses. So for different batches, I have created number. Okay, leave it. Travel expenditure. Now, I'm selecting department. So sales and marketing department, finance department. Now I can enter here $200 and I'm posting. So cash account 110180 I have selected some cash account. Account number by mistake I have entered a little bit differently wrong. Now it is saved. So whenever you are posting travel expenditure, you are taking help like this is department 22, finance department is traveling. If you enter like this, what happens after some period, if I want to generate report for the department 24, what is the expenditure? Okay, let me post now. I'm posting. So while posting this one, after posting this one, if you verify the voucher, after posting this one, if you verify the voucher, it is account plus department also updated, main account department. Now, if you want to generate reports, general ledger, collapse all, inquiries and reports. Okay, and here some reports are there. Dimension statement.
Satya, what is the navigation for the dimension statement?
I'll show you. It is in general ledger, inquiries and reports, and then you will find dimensions. And then next down it will show you. Just give me 1 minute. It will not take much time. Why it is taking this much time? Okay, this one. General ledger, inquiries and reports, ledger reports, and dimension statement. Okay, now I'm selecting department first and then main account. Now I'm selecting from July 1st to today, as on today. And now I'm selecting the main account. What is the main account? It is 6101500. 601,500. So I need to apply the filter. Apply filter 601,500. Now I'm generating from July 1st to till date. Click OK. So this is there is a limitation. I'm generating for this one for this September. So later it was rectified. This is limitation. One limitation is for this month only it is generating report. And one more request, if you are facing challenges, please discuss in 7 a.m. group. We have WhatsApp group 7 a.m. B100 batch 100 finance. So in that, please post any challenges. Okay, so that someone else may help you. Okay, it is not only one person, someone else. If you ping me one to one, I cannot look at. Sometimes I may not look at your pings. Okay, there may be chance of skipping. So better to ping in the 7 a.m. WhatsApp group. Any challenges? Okay, so the report, whenever it is generating, it will take some time, 2 to 3 minutes time. Usually it will be 1 minute or 2 minutes. The reason behind, these reports are generated in these reports are generated in SSRS report, and the application is in X++ language. That is related to technical. I will give you a high level picture about what are the technologies inside. You are not going to become a developer, but you should know on what technology you are working. Okay, no need to learn technical knowledge, it is not required, but you should know what are the technologies inside in the application. That I will discuss with you uh, maybe next month end I will give you more details. Okay, fine. Now the report is generated, it will show you like this. Okay, here it will show you department 24 and the balance. Let me show you in another report, the same report in another month. Let me show you for the month of July. I have a little bit more data in the month of July because I have created at that time to show different options. Now it will generate very quickly. It will not take this much time now. It will be quick when compared with the first time, because first time the connections will be established. Okay, now it will showing like this. Okay, so it is department wise breakup, it will show you. So using these financial dimensions. Okay. So what is the use of financial dimensions means? What is the use of financial dimensions means? You can generate reports. You can generate reports as per your comfort. Okay. Now, what are the financial dimensions available in the system? So financial dimensions are classified into three parts. Financial dimensions are classified into three parts. One is operating units. Second one is masters. Third one is custom dimensions. Okay. This classification, financial dimensions classification, you will not find anywhere in the Google. Okay, if someone is speaking this about financial dimensions classification, then he is my student. He learned from me, or he is my student. Nowadays, there are many of my students are teaching. Whoever is teaching, majority of trainers are my students only. Once upon a time, he learned from me. Like I am providing this training from last more than 10 years. So maybe he learned from me from 3 years back, 2 years back, and he became a trainer. Okay, this classification you will not find in the Google. You will not find. This is my own classification. So financial dimensions are classified into three parts: operating units, masters, custom dimensions. In operating units, what are those? One is business unit. Next, department, cost center, value stream, retail channel. These are the 5 different options available. And Microsoft recently added almost from last 2 3 months, 2 3 years, from last 3 4 years, they have added 3 more options. Okay, so these are recently added. It is for practicing purpose. It may exist in the standard or may not. One is region and rental location, and one more it is there. Let me look at because I'm not remembering. So if you go to financial dimensions here, organization administration, organization administration. I'll write down the path. Organization administration, collapse all, organizations, operating units, operating units. In this, if you click new, you will find all this department, cost center, value stream, business unit, retail channel. Now, as I told you, these are the 3 it was added: region, rental location, and branch. Region, rental location, and branch. So it was added as demo. Okay, it is in D365 only. In 2012, you will find only 5. This 5: business unit, department, cost center, value stream, retail channel. And now it is added region underscore demo, rental location underscore demo, rental location underscore demo, and branch underscore demo. The demo, like in the practice purpose, in the latest versions from D365 only it is available. These 5 are available in AX 2012 also. Okay, and you know, like the versions, what are the versions are there? So AX has so many versions. Initially in 2003 it is Accepta 4.0. This is the old version. Later it is AX 2009 5.0 5.1, and D3 like AX 2012 6.0 6.1 6.2 6.3. In D365 it is 7.0 7.1 7.2 7.3 8.0 8.1 10.0. Sometimes I will ask question in interview: are you working have you worked on 7.4 version? Then if he don't know, he will speak like, yes, I worked, sir. I worked in 7.4. There is no 7.4 version. Then I can understand like whether he has really worked or not. So you need to remember these versions also, particularly D365 versions. So now currently it is available 10.0. There is no 7.4 version. There is no 8.2 version. If interviewer is asking like, have you worked on 7.4? If you are telling like yes, then it is a interviewer can understand like it is not, you have not worked. You should speak like 7.4 version is not there at all. So that is the reason you need to understand these versions also. You need to remember what are the versions available in Dynamics. Okay, initially Accepta 4.0, AX 2000. Now I'm talking about this one. In this AX 2012 versions, only it is available 5. These 5: business units, department, cost center, value stream, retail channel. Now these 3 added in D365. In D365, in these versions it was added. Okay, fine. For practicing purpose. Then what is this masters? What is this masters? Means customer account, vendor account. This is a master. Customer account is a master. Vendor account is a master. Customer group, vendor group, item group, item is a master. Like there are around 26 to 27 different, I did not count, around 26 to 28 different dimensions are there. All these masters can be used as a dimension. All these masters can be used as a dimension. If you want, you can use this masters as a dimensions. So operating units, where it is available, it is in organization administration, organization administration, organization, organization, operating units. So this operating units can be used as a dimension. Operating units can be utilized as a dimensions. And then masters. Masters can be used as a dimensions. So where is this masters means? In each master will have different module. Customer account is available in accounts receivable module or sales and marketing module. Vendor account, where it is available, it is in accounts payable module. That is accounts payable module also called purchase ledger, in purchase ledger or procurement and sourcing module. Item master, where it is available, it is available in product information management. So different masters have different modules. All these masters can be used as a dimensions. Next, custom dimensions. So in this and in this it is not there. I want one dimension. Example, vehicles. Vehicles is a custom dimension. Okay. So in the demo data, you will find financial dimensions. So financial dimensions path, general ledger, collapse all, chart of accounts, dimensions, financial dimensions. So initially this is not there. Now in the demo data Microsoft is providing, because my students are creating custom dimensions as vehicles a lot, then this is made like one mandatory field, one default master as vehicle. It is given by Microsoft for demo data purpose. Okay, so what is this vehicles means? My company is providing cab. My company is providing cabs to employees. Then each cab wise, I want to understand the expenditure. What is the petrol expenditure? What is the driver expenditure? What is the repair expenditure? By each cab, I need to understand, I need to track. But vehicle is not a master, vehicle is not a dimension like operating unit. Then I can create custom dimensions as vehicles. Another example, my people are traveling a lot from UK to USA, USA to Canada, Canada to otherwise UK to Netherlands, Switzerland. They are traveling a lot. Now I need to understand airways. On which airways they are traveling a lot. So airways is not a master, airways is not a operating unit. Then I can create airways as a dimension, custom dimension. I can create. So this is custom dimension. So whenever you are creating a financial dimensions, you have options. Business units, department, cost center, value stream, retail channel, and regions underscore demo, rental locations underscore demo, and branch underscore demo. All these masters, all these are available in operating units. It is in operating units. all these 8. So it is in organization administration, organizations, operating units. So these are 8. So those 8 are, these 8 are can be used, this can be used as dimensions. Next, masters, like customer account is one master, customer group one master, and fixed asset is a master, fixed asset group is a master, item is a master, position is a master. There are so many masters. As I told you, around 26 to 28 masters available in the system. Those can be used as a dimension. If it is not available in the list, then you can create your own custom dimension. Airways. The dimension, okay, like this you can do it. Okay, and one more thing, look at this one. It is active. This is not active. It is inactive. This active inactive function is introduced in D365 only. So in 2012, there is no function like this created means it will be used. There is no function called inactive and active in 2012. In the previous version, it is not there. But in D365, they made like active and inactive. So what is this meaning? Let me close and let me open once again. So financial dimensions, general ledger, chart of accounts, dimensions, financial dimensions. Now it is giving a message. So updates to all dimensions will not affect until dimensions activation is done. It is not affect until it is activation done. Dimensions cannot be used until they have activated. So you need to activate. How to activate? So dimensions activation changes the database schema, and you need the dimension activation privilege to run the process. So the activation of the dimensions is only allowed when the system is in maintenance mode. The activation of dimensions is only allowed when the system is in maintenance mode. What it means, maintenance mode means, so you will have LCS link. You will have LCS link. You need to log in. In real-time scenario, you need to log in with your username and password. Once you log in with this one, there will be one checkbox like enabling and disabling, like this, enable and disable. So you need to enable maintenance, you need to enable the maintenance on. That's what it is speaking. Wait a second. So you need to enable this maintenance on in the LCS link. In the LCS link, in this, once you join, once you logged in the LCS link, you need to enable this checkbox, maintenance. Not this one, it is maintenance checkbox. That's what it is speaking. The activation of the dimensions is only allowed when the system is in maintenance mode. When the system is in maintenance mode, so maintenance mode can be enabled in this environment by running this process in LCS, or use deployment and setup tool. So one tool, this is a technical, or you can go to LCS. From LCS you can open. Now I don't have link, web link, I don't have this one. It is installed in my local system. Then how to activate? So anyways, it is created. I want to activate. Then if you really want to activate, then I'm showing you. If you have SQL knowledge, SQL server knowledge, Then I'm giving you one SQL script, maintenance mode. Have experience or knowledge on SQL server database. Then you can run this first code. Maintenance mode on. You can run this script. Then you need to run in the command prompt. You need to run IIS reset. IIS reset. Then it will be activated financial dimension. So then in that case, the activate button will be enabled. This button will be enabled. If you do this script, SQL script, you need to execute SQL script and you need to run this IIS reset. Then you can do activation. Then you need to run once again this script, maintenance mode off, and then IIS reset. Okay, this if you have SQL knowledge, SQL server knowledge, then only you need to do. Okay, SQL server knowledge if you have, then only you need to do it. Otherwise, don't do it. So you can leave it. Already whatever it is there, you can use it. Okay, I'm deleting this one. Understood the maintenance mode function? Any questions? Any clarifications? Okay, so by default, operating units are available. You can use operating units as dimensions, or by default, masters are available. Those masters can be utilized as dimension. Otherwise, you can create custom dimensions. These are financial dimensions. Why we are using financial dimensions? To generate reports. To generate reports, we can use. So departments, you know, what is this department? What is this business unit means? Your company is exist in 3-4 areas. That is business unit. And cost centers. And then value stream means it is manufacturing unit. Value stream means manufacturing unit. So that is available in let me show you where it is value stream available. So here it is available value stream. But what exactly the function it is available means, if you go to production control, and you will find the value streams. This is value streams. Okay, and retail channel where it is available. Retail channel. This is in retail module. Let me show you retail. Retail and e-commerce. You will find retail channels. Okay, online stores and retail channels. In this, you will find retail channel. This is part of retail module. Okay, so this is in production, manufacturing unit. It is retail, and these three are masters also available earlier in 2012. It is available this business unit department cost center. It is available in actually general ledger. In the general ledger, it was given here earlier, but in 2012. But in D365 it was removed. And if you want to enter the business unit values, you need to go to organization administration and you need to create here from here only. Suppose you are selecting business unit, and then you can create what is the business unit you want. Like this, you can create. Okay, these are dimensions. These are dimensions. Any questions, any clarifications required on these financial dimensions? So let me write down the financial dimensions part. General ledger, chart of accounts, dimensions, financial dimensions. And a small announcement. Okay, so tomorrow and after tomorrow I have some personal works. So that is the reason tomorrow and day after tomorrow we don't have the session. The sessions will be Monday to Friday, every Monday to Friday only, morning 6 a.m., 7 a.m. IST, So it is Monday to Friday, but I have some personal work. Usually I will not take much leaves, but I have some personal work. So tomorrow and after tomorrow, we don't have the session, and we'll have the session on 2nd October. We have the session, next session will be 2nd October. Morning, same time, 7 a.m. IST. Okay, fine. So now let me proceed. We understood financial dimensions. Now I'm introducing one more new topic, accounting structure. Accounting structure. Usually this accounting structure, I will use the word, this is brain, human brain. I'll use the word brain. If you are comparing ERP, Dynamics ERP with human being, then in our mind, the brain, whatever it is there, brain. Okay, that is equal to this one. Accounting structure is equal to brain. Why I'm speaking accounting structure as a brain? Suppose I'm speaking, I'm speaking with my mouth, and you are listening through ears. You are listening through ears. So entire thing, there is instructions are happening from our brain. You need to speak this one. You need to speak this one. So my brain is giving instructions to me, and you are listening. How you are listening? Your brain is giving instructions to your ears. Listen this voice. Listen this voice. Now, in the system, general ledger, collapse solve, ledger setup, ledger, general ledger, ledger setup, ledger. This is, you can compare with the head, human head, and this is brain. The reason behind, if you are posting any transaction in Dynamics, if you are posting any transaction in Dynamics, it will verify this structure is correct or not. And based on this accounting structure instructions, the application will work. The entire application is working from here. Okay, this is, you can make it as like I mean to say nose. These are eyes. Accounting currency, reporting currency, you can compare these to our eyes. Important, most important. And chart of accounts, you can make it as nose. This is, you can make it as ears. This is head of the human being. So this is now head of the ERP. Ledger form is head. Okay? Accounting structure is brain. And item model group is heart. That much important. This item model group is in trade and logistics, but I will teach you in the month of November first week. November first week or second week, you are going to learn about item model group. This is a part of T&L. This is a part of trade and logistics. In trade and logistics, item model group is there. Item model group. It is very, very, very important. It is equal to heart, your heart. So ledger is head, accounting structure is brain, and item model group is heart. If I'm comparing like this, then you can remember how it is important. Okay, what is this accounting structure means? Accounting structure means it is chart of accounts or main accounts plus financial dimensions. Main accounts plus financial dimensions total together is account structure. Let me show you here. If you go to this accounting structure, it is main accounts plus dimensions. Is accounting structure. Main accounts plus financial dimensions is accounting structure. So this accounting structure you are going to learn on Monday in detail. In detail you are going to learn, but it is very, very important topic for finance. It is a brain. Okay, and ledger is a head. As I told you, this entire form, this ledger form, general ledger, ledger setup, ledger is a head. In this, two eyes are there, one nose, one ears. Like this, you can compare. Okay, so it is very, very important accounting structure. You are going to learn accounting structure on Monday, and one more advanced rule structure also there. Okay, now it is in 10 minutes. I cannot teach you about accounting structure and advanced rule structure. On Monday, I'm going to teach you. Now we have another 10 minutes. Let us understand currencies. Currencies. One is accounting currency. Another one is reporting currency. Reporting currency. Another one is transaction currency. Accounting currency, reporting currency, transaction currency. One more currency is available, triangulation currency. So this triangulation currency is also called denomination currency. Denomination currency. This will be used in Europe only, not for everyone. Only for Europe it is required. But we'll discuss this one later. Okay, I will keep as a pending point. Give me a second. So if you want, we'll discuss about that one as pending points. Triangulation currency. The pending point, and some more pending points also I have created earlier. Let me copy this one. Okay, so we'll discuss this one, and I'm closing this pending points text file. I'm removing this one. I kept all in here. Okay, these are pending points. We'll discuss these points later. Okay, what is going to be, because some people asked me about these things. We'll discuss about all these things in coming sessions, not now. So now we need to focus on three currencies: accounting currency, reporting currency, and transaction currency. Every transaction in Dynamics, every transaction, whatever it is posted, it will show you in both currencies, accounting currency and reporting currency. It will show you accounting currency and reporting currency. If you want, let me show you some transactions. Suppose we have posted one transaction like invoice journal. We have posted invoice journals a lot from last 3 days. Okay, you can go to posted and you can filter by sorting A to Z to A, or you can do like this, sorting by newest to oldest. The last transaction is posted here. You can click on journal number or lines, anything is fine. You can click on lines and you can verify the voucher. It is posted in accounting currency, and reporting currency is not showing here at this point. I can add here, insert columns, and I can use reporting currency. Okay, reporting currency, amount in reporting currency, if I add, it will show you. Amount in accounting currency, amount in reporting currency. So this accounting currency is called national currency. Amount in monetary standard means wherever the company is located. Okay, at this point it is both are same. Why both are same? The reason behind, in the ledger form I have mapped accounting currency and reporting currency, both are same. Suppose if you go to DEM of company, then accounting currency is euro and reporting currency is US dollars. Now if you verify in DEM of company some transactions, okay, if you verify, I'm going to accounts, select DEM of company, accounts payable, invoices, posted transactions, and you can see here, and you can verify the voucher. Now you can see accounting currency and reporting currency. Amount in accounting currency, it is in euros. Amount in reporting currency, it is US dollars, and this is amount in transaction currency. Okay, suppose I'm posting a transaction in this one. In DMF company, I'm creating a new one. Select the journal name, invoice, go to lines, and I'm selecting vendor. So Chinese vendor I'm selecting. Okay, I'm entering invoice number. Now 500 I'm entering. It is why it is coming US dollars. Fine, let me map Chinese currency, China yuan, CNY. Okay, China yuan, and I'm entering some account. I'm posting now. Now it will show you 3 different currencies. Verify the voucher. Look at this one. 500 is in China. It is transaction currency is CNY. Accounting currency is euros. Accounting currency is euros. Reporting currency is US dollars. Reporting currency is US dollars. So amount in accounting currency, national currency, amount in reporting currency, amount in transaction currency. So all these 3 currencies, every transaction will be posted in 3 currencies. Every transaction will be posted in 3 currencies: accounting currency, reporting currency, and transaction currency. Okay, fine. As I told you, tomorrow we don't have the session. As I informed you, tomorrow and after tomorrow we don't have the session. We'll connect once again on Monday morning, 7 a.m. IST. Okay, on October 2nd onwards, it will be continuous without any break. Will continue. Okay. So before we end up the session, any questions, any clarifications, please? Any clarifications required? Any questions?
Hi Satya, this is Suman.
Yes.
Yeah, I think you have shown some reporting like business unit expenses, like travel expenses, like what is the department wise expenses. So sometimes companies will analyze the data like previous quarter to current quarter and previous year to current year. So, but in there when you selecting the accounting
Structure.
period, it is yeah, it is accepted only for 1 month data. So if we need more than 1 month data, is there any options like reporting
So
we
in
can
the
download in the Excel
actually,
format or something?
yeah. So usually for all reports, it will be generated from 1 year. Within 1 year, majority 90% reports, it will allow you to generate for 1 year. And if it is a customer account statement or vendor statement, it will be generated for across the years also. So there is no limitation. Only one that report has some limitation in between. Now Microsoft, as my understanding, like recently in the latest version 10.0 34 and 35, Microsoft removed that condition and it was you can generate for 1 year.
Okay,
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 so because sometimes it is a huge data, because it is dimension wise means it is a huge data. Because of some performance issues, it was restricted to 1 month. Later, it was modified. But if you want, you can check with your developer. If it is so, all the reports, whatever it is there, don't expect from the Microsoft all the reports whatever the customer is expecting. So we need to do a customization. I mean to say, with the help of developers, we can generate reports whatever the way you want.
okay.
Okay, Suman?
Yeah,
Yeah,
thank you.
yeah, welcome. Any more questions, please? Any more questions? If no more questions, we'll connect once again on on Monday, 2nd October, and we'll continue without breaks. Okay, see you all. Bye. So Tony, we will discuss later, Tony. Okay, I'll ping you on WhatsApp.
What time? Okay, just let me know, please.
Yeah, I'll
Thank
ping
you.
you. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, welcome. Bye.